Hi guys. Okay, so I have lots 13 through 27 here. I think with the exception, no, I think they're all pretty much paper tray ink in this video. So I have kits and lots to see. So anyway, it's just to refresh everybody, it's first come, first serve. I do not hold anything. So I just ask that you're prepared to pay upon invoicing. You guys know that my lots are very fairly priced. These are going to be a little on the pricey side just because they're paper tray ink, high quality, and I have all the kits here. So let me see. Anyway, it's US and PayPal only. Please leave your lot number if you're interested in something with your PayPal info. Otherwise, I'm going right to the next person, okay? You know, I take very good care of my things and, you know, that whole thing. So I have a lot to get through here, but please, I'm not holding anything, okay, guys? So just, if you're interested in something, please just let me know with your PayPal info. So lots 13 through 27. This is lot 13. It's $40 shipped. You're going to get this. This came out last year, I think. There are two sizes. This might be the wider one. You cut this out twice. It makes like a little box, and then you can put like vellum or clear plastic through the windows, and then you get the border. You're going to get this, which I think these were called inside out. I'm not quite sure, but you can make this into a shaker. So you have the layering piece. It says joy. You have the holly, and then you have the bell. So so this is really super cute. I did make something last year out of this one. And then you're going to get this stamp set, which is called Happiest of Holidays. And these are the sentiments. Okay, so that is lot number 13. Lot number 14 is a kit. It is $50 shipped. And you're actually getting, this is an envelope die. You're going to get that as a bonus because it didn't come in the kit. So this is called tag-alongs. This was a mini kit. These are the stamps. Okay. And these are all the tags, layering, the little sprigs, to and from, the circle. Well, the circle is attached to the to and from, but the tag with all of the extra little tag, you know, you can really customize your tags. So that will come with the stencils, and there's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, I don't know how many, but there are a lot of stencils in here. Fun because you can stencil and then stamp here in the middle. So that comes with it. Then you're going to get the paper, which I don't even think it's open, so I'm not going to open it. You can just die cut straight up tags if you don't want to make, you know, 1,000 tags. And then you're going to get trimmings and sequins. And then again, like I said, the envelope die, which didn't come with the kit, but that's a little bonus. So that's lot number 14. Okay. Lot number 15 is $30 shipped, and it is called Christmas Cheer. So you're going to get these sentiments, and then you're going to get these large sentiments that go with it. So Let It Snow, Christmas, Holiday. Okay, so whatever you see here in bold, those are the dies. So that is $30 shipped. The next one is also lot number 16 is $30 shipped, and it's the same concept but birthdays. So it's called Birthday Cheer. So the bold sentiments are right here. Make a wish, birthday, and celebrate. Okay. And these are very large. I would say like 5 inches, 4 inches, these two. Okay, so that's lot 16, $30 shipped. Lot 17 is $25 shipped. You're going to get this mini set, and it is called Winter Penguin. You're going to get these dies, the snowflakes, the hat, and the penguin. and then this stamp set. And then this is called Joyful Christmas. So you have bottle brush trees, you have these sweet sentiments, and then you have the coordinating dies with the trees and the stars. So that is lot 17. Okay, lot 18, I just cut out the sentiments so you could see them, is $30 shipped. This is a birthday kind of theme, so sending sunshine and birthday wishes. That's what these two dies cut out. These are paper tray ink. I want to say this is either paper tray ink or Tailored Expressions. I thought it was paper tray ink, but that's what it looks like. And if you have circle dies, you can make this into a cute shaker. And then this is a My Favorite Things party hat. So you can wrap the party hat in like crepe paper or different colored papers and make it your own. So it's not a 3D party hat, but you can even make it a 3D party hat with little squiggles, flowers. So I thought that went nice with the birthday theme. Okay, so that is lot 18. That's a fun one. Okay, for $30 shipped. Let me put that aside. Lot 19 is a stitching lot. So paper tray ink came out with these. You can make them into a banner. You can add a hook. You can add little smaller hooks. It's all explained if you look it up. I had made, I think, stockings last year. I'm not sure. You can add little hooks here to the stockings. So you can make like the end of a banner. You can, this is to make the end to hang it on either side of the banner. So then gloves and stockings. Then you have little trees, the stocking foot, the star. You have a smaller hook to hang a banner. So this was all one thing. You have little trees. It came with these beads, which you'll also be getting. Okay. So that, I think this is a great price if you're into stitching dies. Okay, so this one I just wanted to show you. It's called a coin purse. It's paper tray ink, and it cuts out these shapes, so you can cut two of these and then layer it like that, and it makes like a little coin purse. And then you have the little closure, the little feet, like, little accents here. And then you have this one die that does like, you can cut into the felt, and it's almost like a ribbon slide. So you can go like this and put a ribbon through it and make a ribbon closure. I just wanted to show you that. So that's that one. This is paper tray ink, and it says Noel, love, joy, be, peace, merry, holly, and jolly. So you can cut that into felt or paper and stitch, or make that a little accent. These are, let's see, these are from Memory Box, and they make the little Mary and the zigzag. So you can also just use that as a detail or cut into the paper and stitch. Okay, and then this is a Simon Says stamp ice cream cone. Okay, so that is lot number 19. 20 is $35 shipped. And you're going to get this Petite Places Walk in the Park, okay, and the stamp and die. You're going to get this Home and Garden, the house, and the stamp, and it hasn't even been used, okay. So that is $35 shipped. Lot number 21 is $28 shipped. You're going to get the Petite Places Sweet Shop, the house, the stamp set, and the extra stamp set to make other, little details, okay? So that is lot 21. Lot 22 is a big one. It's $75 shipped. You're going to get the schoolhouse house. And these are all the add-ons to the kit. So you have winter, Halloween, you have Christmas, you have a city scene, clouds, stars, the sun, you have the mountains, and the Christmas trees. So that is part of the kit that I'm going to be showing you. Oh, I don't know where it is. Actually, I think that was the Scene It. So this is all the Scene It series. And that goes with, you know, you have to have a circle die, and I'll show you in the next kit. So that's lot 22. 23 is $40 shipped. You're going to get the church and the stamp. You're going to get this, which is the Halloween. I don't have the stamp set to the Halloween house. And then you're going to get the schoolhouse with the stamp set. The other schoolhouse was an extra. I don't know why I had duplicates, but this one is the stamp set and the house. So that's lot 23, $40 shipped. Lot 24 is a tag set, okay, $30 shipped. And what it is you're going to get 6 tags, and then you can make all these tags. These are the stamps, okay? So that's that. Lot 24. And then lot 25 is $100. It's the kit all throughout the house or Holiday Lane. Okay, $25. I mean, lot 25, $100. So you're going to get the stamp set. Okay. You're going to be able to make the house. You can look it up on Paper Tray Ink. All the dies are in here. This was used once, so all the dies are there. You're going to get this Holiday Lane stamp set and the house. Okay, so that coordinates together. That I don't think came, so that's a bonus. You're going to get the paper collection. It hasn't, oh, it is been opened. Okay, so the paper collection is in there. You can even die cut straight from the paper. You're going to get some cotton, like fake snow. So that's a kit. Okay, so then lot 26 is tinsel and tags. So these Scene Its coordinate with these. So this was a kit. You're going to get the snow globes. They're half globes. You're going to get the tinsel or the snow. You're going to get the trimmings. The house did not come with it. This was an addition, but I'm throwing that in. Okay, so that's the original house with the stamp. You're going to get these dies and stamp. You're going to get the stamp set. Okay. You're going to get the original scene. So this was the original scene with the flat house, the trees, the banners. Okay. You're going to get the paper, some trees, and then you're going to get the paper collection. And then you're going to get a bonus. This is lot 26 of the plaid paper. Okay, so that was $100 for lot 26. And then lot 27, this is the add-on as well that's going in lot 26. This was part of the add-on kit with the house that I'm throwing in. Lot 27 is a birthday, $60 shipped. It says Wish Big, Paper Tray Ink. You're going to get the shaker balloon with the strings. So that's the shaker balloon, and that says Hooray. You're going to get this stamp set. This is called Scene It Celebration. These tags that coordinate with that stamp set. and then a 3D birthday hat. So you can cut out all these trims, cut out 2 of these to make a birthday hat. And sorry for the glare. And it says birthday, boy, girl, super cute. Okay, so that's a kit in and of itself. It's kind of a mixed kit. Okay, and that's $60 shipped. So that is it. I had a lot to cover. Thank you guys for tuning in, and see you soon.